Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Moses Mabhida Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. My brother, how's it? Sharp man, uba igama kuya.
Oh, ulindile ngisola iBizana.
Oh,
ya ulindile wankasa uDumsana.
Nazo. Oyiphizana yabona.
Yeah, iBizana la.
Phesha komfutho.
Yeah.
Mina ngikonzima wakho mina ngihlala ngisengise.
Oh, ngiyabona unzima wakho la ngase Glenmore.
Ngase Glenmore. Yeah,
ngiyabona. So, mina
your take on the game today?
ngijabula kakhulu mfethu yazi. It's been 9 years singawini. Yazi ngithemba ngifika la ngasho ngathi namhlanje sophuma kwina thina la. It's been 9 years singawini and we've been under pressure like people making fun of us.
It's about 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years.
Ngolo 10 years.
Like if besingawinanga namhlanje 10 years.
Exactly.
Ngibele emsebenzini ingane zongihleka. Ziyahlekana cabanga. But ngithanda ukubonga lo coach Nabi, my players, the technical team, even the chairman, yeah. Because bonke abadlali even the former players ukuzo bakhuluma kahle ngeChiefs, the facilities, the way they are treated. So the chairman deserve this. But ke ngibele gemini, igembe emnandi but like mina ngicriticize my players yabo. But our players sometimes there are few players ukuthi badlala without like I'm not saying like this in a negative way but they don't think before they receive the ball. For example, igoli esikhonsidile lapha i-free kick engenasidingo.
Exactly.
uSolomon receive ibhola uyedwa akaza ayithini ucommit foul engenasidingo. Then ke there is a free kick from that foul yabo. uMakhopa post akamaka umuntu uyedwa eboxini yabo lonto leyo
into eyidala yenzeka vele
every time we concede thina we give teams goals.
Exactly.
Siyabapha abantu amagoli siyabapha clear like sibapha nje danki i-defense iyalala uMakhopa uyedwa eboxini behind uLilepo because behind uLilepo there was no one.
Yeah.
So abantu ama players wethu ngasize please adlale using their brains yabo ibhola idinga umqondo more than fitness. Know what to do even before you receive the ball yabo. But I'm happy even ekhathe keep ucela ulimalile. Remember to shaya i-tackle lapha e-center eshaya umbokazi nge-tackle walimala lapho. So uthe mephumela ngaphandle washo ucela ukuphuma. So that's why kubuye kwazongena ubani kwazongena umthetho ebadala kahle especially uMathi. I'm happy with his performances. He played so well like a captain. I know we have been criticizing him a lot. But today I'm giving him his flowers. He played so well. And I hopefully they renew his contract. I hope so. But we need a right back. We need a left back. We need a playmaker, someone who's going to provide goals. We don't have
also a striker maybe. Also.
Two strikers. We need two strikers. We need two strikers plus a keeper. I have been unfortunate with the keepers. We have been conceding goals every game. You change this, you put this one. You concede, you put this one, you concede. But hopefully they will sit down and see ukuthi bayifisha kanjani team. Yes, but we need. Because if you look at the development teams from under 13s and to under 19 and the TTC team, they play with identity.
Exactly.
If you watch them play, they play like better than the senior team.
Exactly.
They knock the ball around.
And maybe you must be happy that even they won the DTC and you have won the Nedbank Cup. So
I hope they promote those boys, a few of them. Like there's a boy called Pacho there. Umabasa Swini, Mbutu.
There's Songwano.
The striker. That one is going to be promoted. Songwane is going to be promoted. Trust me. Songwane. Or even Muzamba, the keeper.
Exactly.
I hope they promote those boys. But I thank for the.
Thank you so much, my brother. Congratulations.
Thank you.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.